How can you trust a digital exchange to keep your hard-earned crypto safe? It's a huge question in the world of digital assets. We've all heard the stories, the hacks, the collapses, and it highlights a critical truth: security isn't just a feature, it's the foundation. So, how does Kraken, one of the longest-running and most respected crypto exchanges, approach the protection of your funds? It boils down to a layered defense strategy, focusing on both where your crypto is kept and how your account is protected. Let's start with asset storage, the digital vault where the majority of your funds reside. Kraken employs what's known as cold storage, taking the private keys for over 95% of client assets completely offline. These are stored on air-gapped systems, meaning they are physically isolated from any internet connection, making them virtually untouchable by online hackers. The physical infrastructure itself is military-grade, guarded 24/7 with surveillance and alarm systems. The small percentage that remains online is for immediate liquidity, known as hot wallets, and these are monitored constantly by a world-class security team. But security isn't just about protecting the exchange from external threats. It's also about protecting you from account takeover. Kraken offers industry-leading tools to lock down your personal account. The first is two-factor authentication, or 2FA, which you should always enable. Kraken recommends using FIDO2 compliant passkeys or a hardware security key, which are far more secure than traditional SMS codes. They also offer a master key, a secondary password required for sensitive actions like resetting your main password, and the global settings lock, which places a time delay on any major change to your account settings or withdrawal addresses, giving you a chance to catch unauthorized activity. Finally, there's the critical element of transparency and trust. Kraken pioneered a process called proof of reserves. This involves an independent, third-party auditor verifying that Kraken holds the digital assets they claim to on behalf of clients. Using advanced cryptography, you can actually log into your account and cryptographically verify that your balance was included in their audited reserves, ensuring they aren't operating on fractional reserves. It's a commitment to accountability that's rare in the industry. By combining military-grade offline storage, robust account-level security features, and transparent, verifiable proof of reserves, Kraken aims to provide a reliable fortress for your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.